Hey everybody, it's Greg from Guardian RFID. Today I wanted to take just a minute and talk about a question we get asked a lot in training and on support at GuardianRFID.com, and that question is, what happens when the Wi-Fi goes down? Whether you have a hurricane or a winter storm or an ice storm or a malware incident, whatever, and the Wi-Fi is gone in your facility, what do we do? Keep doing your checks. Rule number 2, obviously, keep doing your checks. Why? Because all the checks are going to be stored on the Spartan if there's no Wi-Fi connectivity. Then once your Wi-Fi is restored, all those checks will go back through the cloud to your service so that you don't miss a beat. All your checks will be recorded the moment you hear that beep on the Spartan, so none of the checks get missed. So as long as you, the corrections professional, and your staff continue to do those checks every single day, every single hour, every single time they're due, you won't miss anything. So even though the Wi-Fi is down, the Spartan, which can hold a ton of data, will absolutely continue to store those checks. The same rule applies if, God forbid, your power should go out. If you have a power outage in your facility, remember the Spartans are battery powered, so you shouldn't miss a beat there either. Just ensure your staff continues to do their checks. Then when those things are restored, the Wi-Fi, the power, what have you, they'll go right back to the cloud and back to your service exactly where they need to go because everything is time-stamped. So you shouldn't have a problem. The team here at Guardian RFID is here to protect you, the warrior community, in case one of those tragic events happens, to make sure your data is safe. Hey, if you have any other questions or comments, feel free to reach out to us at support@GuardianRFID.com. And as always, get your team home safe.